Water leaking into your basement during heavy rain? That's a headache no one wants, but let's talk about how to handle it without losing your mind. First off, make sure your yard slopes away from the house, because water running toward your foundation is a no-go. Check all your downspouts and get those black corrugated pipes to push water at least 10 feet away from the walls. If water's still sneaking in, a sump pump can save your bacon. Install it where the leak shows up and pump water far away from the house. If you can swing it, a French drain around the whole basement perimeter is gold. It collects water before it even hits your walls. You don't need fancy tools. Just a big hammer, shovel, and some elbow grease to DIY a sump pump setup for about $500 in parts. Make sure gutters are clean and not clogged, because if water overflows, it's just making things worse. And don't forget to look for spots where water pools near the foundation. Standing in the rain and watching where water goes can clue you in on problem areas. Lastly, seal any cracks inside your basement walls with waterproof concrete sealant to slow down leaks while you work on bigger fixes outside. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make with basement water leaks is ignoring proper drainage around the house. If the land slopes toward your foundation or downspouts dump water right there, you're begging for trouble. Fix it by regrading the soil and extending drain pipes away from the house. Another common issue is skipping the sump pump or installing one incorrectly. Without pumping water far enough away, you're just shifting the problem. Make sure the pump's discharge pipe directs water clear of your foundation. Finally, many people forget about sealing cracks inside the basement walls. Water pressure pushes through even tiny openings, so patching those spots with quality waterproofing products really helps keep moisture out. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for anyone looking to fix home problems like this because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff. Contractors also get help finding steady work, so everyone wins when you use that site to get your basement leak sorted out right.